Hi friends, welcome to another video of Big Tech Talk. In today's video, we will try to load movies rating file to MongoDB using Compass. So let's start the video. I have already downloaded the movies rating file from Kaggle. So let's open the ratings file and have a look to our input data. So in the input file, I have 4 columns, that is user ID. This is the ID of the user who has provided the rating. Movies ID, this is the ID for a particular movie. Rating, this will be in the range of 1 to 5 for a movie. And timestamp is the time when user has provided a rating to a movie. So let's open the Compass and load the file. Once it is open, click on Fill in connection fields individually. Over here, mention your host name, which is localhost, since my MongoDB is installed locally. If you have not installed MongoDB on your Windows system and want to install it, link to the video is mentioned in the description. Over here, we need to mention the port number. 27017 is the default port for MongoDB. Leave the rest of the settings by default and click on Connect. Now let's create a database. So click on Create Database over here. Over here, give a name to your database. So I will mention as recommendation. Next, we need to mention the collection name. So I will mention movies_rating as my collection name. Leave the other things as default and click on Create Database. Now click on Database which we have created just now and then click on Movies Rating. Over here we have an option to import our data. So click on Import. Click on Select a file. And this is my movies rating file. Select it and click on Open. Now I will change the data type of these columns. As you can see, everything is a string. So user ID should be integer. Movies ID will be integer. This will be in double. And timestamp will be in long. Then click on Import. Once your import is completed, click on Done. You can click on the table icon over here to view your data in the tabular format. So this is how we can load the movies rating file to MongoDB using Compass. In the next video, we will try to read movies rating data from MongoDB using Apache Spark. I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Do hit the like button and subscribe for more such video. Thank you.